Today, I'll show you how to view layers in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file that contains layers. Layers are sometimes used in PDFs made from design, architecture, engineering, or illustration software. They let you show or hide different parts of the document such as text, measurements, images, backgrounds, or drawing details. Once the PDF is open, look at the left side of the Acrobat window. You may see a vertical toolbar with icons, such as page thumbnails, bookmarks, attachments, and layers. Click the Layers icon. It usually looks like stacked sheets or stacked squares. If you do not see the Layers icon, go to the top menu and click View. Then choose Show/Hide. Next, choose Side Panels. Then click Layers. The Layers panel should now appear on the left side of the screen. Inside the Layers panel, you will see the available layers in the PDF. To hide a layer, click the eye icon next to that layer. To show it again, click the eye icon again. This lets you control which parts of the PDF are visible. For example, in a floor plan, you may be able to turn furniture, dimensions, labels, or electrical details on and off. If you click a layer name, Acrobat may show more options, depending on how the PDF was created. If the PDF does not show any layers, then the file may not contain layer information. Not every PDF has layers. Many normal PDFs are flat documents, so there is nothing to turn on or off. If you expected layers but do not see them, check if the original file was exported with layers enabled. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, show the left side panel, click Layers, then use the eye icons to show or hide each layer. And that's how you view layers in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.